Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. So friends, in the previous lesson, we have already know about validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce. So in the previous lesson, we know more detail about validation rule and formula field. So in this lesson, we will be learn live demo scenario about the validation rule. How does work validation rule in Salesforce? In this lesson, we will be write a validation rule on the lead object and we will be write a condition. Based on the condition, we will be display error message in Salesforce. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce code where we will be see live demo scenario. How does work validation rule? How to write a condition and how to display error message. Before saving the lead record in Salesforce, we will be display error message through validation rule in Salesforce. So now let me jump to my Salesforce code where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential or first go to the gear icon, click on the setup, then go on the object manager. So here I will be write a validation rule on lead object. So in the object manager, there is a quick find search box. So here I'm writing a validation rule on the lead object. So here I will be search my object lead. This is the object lead. Then in the left sidebar, you will be get validation rule. Click on the validation rule. Then you will be get a new page. And here you can write a rule of the validation. So here I am writing a validation rule on the annual revenue. So first I am defining a rule of validation. So validation rule name is a annual revenue validation. Here I am putting a validation name. Then here you can write a description. So here I am writing a description. Annual revenue not should be blank. Annual revenue not should blank. Should not blank. Should not blank. So here you can write description for the validation. Then this is a logic. So here you can write a logic. So logic that means condition. Based on the condition, I will be check a validation rule. So condition is let me open a record of the lead. So let me open this is a lead object. Let me open one record. So validation rule is this is a lead status and this is a annual revenue. Condition is if lead status select close converted this one and before save the record, we will be check annual revenue, this field. If this annual revenue field is blank and I change lead status, close converted, then before save the record, I will be display error message. So first I will be check a condition, lead status should be close converted. So first I will be use if condition here. Inside the if condition, I will be check status. So status is a leader status. Inside the if condition, I will be check each pick list. Status is a pick list. Here I will be select each pick list. Each pick list, this one. Inside the each pick list, I will be put a field name. So field name is, this is a insert field. Field lead status. Search your field name here, lead status. This one, lead status, insert, comma, and here pass the value. So value will be passed. Go to the field relationship. And here I will be search my field name, status, leader status, this one. And I will be copy close converted, this value. So first I am checking each pick list value. If a status selected close converted, then comma, I will be check a null value. So null value should be annual revenue. So here I will be use annual revenue. So field name should be insert field lead annual revenue. This one annual revenue insert. After that, here I will be check is blank. So similarly, right side I will be use is blank. This one is blank. In the expression, I will be check field value. So field I will be insert a field lead annual revenue insert comma and null. So friends, here you can see I write a condition if each pick list value status change close converted, then I am checking is blank that means annual revenue, and annual revenue if null, then I will be display error message. So friends, now before save the validation rule, let me check syntax. You can see no error found, that means it's correct. Now let me go display the error message. So display the error message, I will be display annual revenue not should be blank. Annual revenue should not blank. This message will be display error location. Where you want to display the error location? So I want to display error location on the field. So now let me select field. Then annual revenue. This is the annual revenue field where I want to display the message. So first I write a rule name, then write a description, then write a condition here. Then I check syntax, then write a error message that I want to display. And here I want to display error message on the field. So I selecting field, and here I am selecting the field name. Then save. Now active the validation rule. So now edit and active the validation rule. Don't forget to active the validation rule. Active then save. So friends, here I write a validation rule on lead object and checking the lead status and annual revenue field. Now let me refresh the page. I am trying to save record. So first I open one record of lead, open the lead, open one record, edit the record, and here you can see this is a lead status, this is a pick list value, and this is a annual revenue, this is a currency tag. So before save the record, we will be checking annual revenue. So condition is if I right now it is a open node contract. Now I am changing close converted. So as per the condition, if I change close converted and save the record, before save the record, it will be check annual revenue. If annual revenue blank, then it will be display error message. So friends, now let me keep blanks and now let me save the record. So friends, here you can see error message display annual revenue should be not blank, because in the validation rule I write a condition if lead status close converted, then annual revenue should not be blank. If I am mentioning some put value here and save the record, then it will be saved. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visualforce page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.